You had a good week, lad?
No.
You waiting for Jamie to come back?
I don't think so. You can stay there.
Good morning, everybody. Another start to another glorious week. Sunny today, thank God. After Storm Malik and whatever else battered us over the weekend. Literally, I think it's about 11 o'clock now on a Monday, and literally I haven't stopped on the phone all morning. Obviously all the fences have been taken down over the weekend. It's not a bad situation for us to have, granted.
Money!
I suppose every fencer around the country is probably experiencing the same thing at the minute. Pretty busy week with site surveys now, with repairs and fence replacements and whatnot. So it's not bad for us, but yeah, as you can see, it's not a bad day. It's quite sunny. A bit more stocking and stuff like this, and some posts. Baggy and the lads have been down this morning, picked some timber up for the job, and I've actually sent them out doing some site surveys for me because I literally, like I say, cannot get off the phone. So yeah, keep tuned and we'll take you through the week as we go on.
Morning guys, just in from Airedale. We're just in the yard today. As you can see, the office is looking a bit better now after a nice coat of paint. But yeah, we're just in the yard today. We're going to be getting some concrete doing. We have a few repair jobs from the wind, what's happened. So if you can hear me out here, because it is very windy today. Last week we concreted all this. So now we have a nice level, even ground to actually put stuff on. There's just some gates for a job. But today we're going to be prepping this and concreting this as well, and getting it all the way up there. Tomorrow we're at a school installing some 1.2 roll top mesh. I think it's about 75 metres. It's quite a lot to take away as well. We've got one of the lads on holiday, so I'll probably go join them on site, give him a hand. Morning guys, we're just here at Grove House Primary School doing a bit of 1.2 roll top mesh fencing. These kids out, so I have to be careful where I film. I'm just going to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're doing it. So we're going to be coming from here. We're actually going to be coming all the way around to this edge. You'll actually see the lads just up there. We're going to be coming all the way down here to this edge, and then we're actually going to be then closing off this bit here with a gate in the middle, and then all the way up to the edge. I think it's around, what we're in total, Baggy, about 35 were it?
Yeah.
35 metres in total.
75 all in all.
75 all in all?
Yeah.
And how long do you reckon it's going to take you?
Yeah, 2 days.
2 days, 2 gates, 75 metres all in all. 2 days, not bad. But yeah guys, I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to obviously get the kids on there. You can see the front of the school there. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. We'll get another video on and we'll show you the process once it's nearly finished.
Good morning. It's been a very busy couple of days, as you can see. Storm damage. I'm just at a job here. Look at this, it's all the way, the fencing. I'll turn it round in a minute, it goes all the way around, so there's quite a lot to repair here. Literally like a wind tunnel with the fence here. Literally, I think I quoted 10 jobs yesterday. I've got about the same to quote today. This is just one of them that I'm going to see. No wonder it's falling down. I mean, the post centres are like 2.5 metres on these sections, which is an absolute no-no. All this is falling to bits. Hello again. So I'm just at the lovely Saltaire village. Salt's pub behind us used to be tram shed. Just Saltaire Primary School here. I'm just on the boundary. They're wanting to renew this steel iron fence here. Obviously people can just jump over it now. I'll just turn it around, and obviously renewing all this on the car park, and I don't know if you can see in the distance chain link fence there, renewing that as well, and some gates further down, and some other bits to do around the corner there. I've actually been down here a couple of times before, price this. Hopefully now they've got the budgets to do it, but it's got to be in keeping because it's like an area of interest around here. It's Saltaire village, Sir Titus Salt built all this village, so very historic place around here.
Alright guys, so we're just at the same school, and we've just basically fit in the last panel now, and then we're going to get off. So here we go. So we've pushed it up to that one. Just giving it all a spray now and giving it a good clean. As you can see, all the way across. I would show you a better angle, but I'm trying to keep the kids out of the shots. As you can see, we're going to go around, just tidy all the ends up, just give it a nice little jet wash, get out crap off of it. As you can see the line going down there. Looks very nice, if I do so say myself. You can see. Show you these ends now. As you seen earlier, the lads didn't have this bit down here, and now they've got it. Look at that.
Howdy. So that's another week done for us at Airedale fencing. Lads have done well this week. We've done the school, a few repairs. They've just gone and posted another repair after finishing the school job today. Gonna nip back in the morning, stick the feather edge pails on as it was too windy where it was. No wonder it's come down in the first place. So they'll nip back in the morning. It'll take them an hour or something like that. Soon as I'm on, but yeah, we've had a good week, and Jamie's back next week. She's been on holiday this week, sunning himself in Tenerife. You had a good week, lad?
No.
You waiting for Jamie to come back?
I don't think so. You can stay there.
What are you saying? Have you preferred it, Charlie, with no Jamie?
It's been quiet, hasn't it? It's been quiet.
Right, well, we're in this bloody weather and he's sunning himself in Tenerife. So anyway, that's us signing out for another week, and we'll catch you later.